Hey guys, it's Leisha and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making an easy vegan cornbread recipe. As usual, I'll have all the ingredients listed in the description box below. I love it to go with soups and things, especially in the colder months. It goes with just about anything. So let's get started. So just going to start by just mixing all of your dry ingredients together, making sure everything's well incorporated before you add the wet ingredients to minimize the stirring. And then we're going to stir just enough to make sure there's no dry pockets of flour or anything like that. Today I'm going to be using silicone molds. Normally I use a cast iron skillet, but for this recipe I wanted to give this silicone muffin pan a try. Side note, if you do use a cast iron skillet, make sure you add a little oil or parchment paper to the bottom so that your bread doesn't stick. Whether you're making normal cornbread in a pan or muffins, it's the exact same recipe, just a slightly different cook time. So here you can see this is what they look like when they're completely cooled. And here's the inside. You can see it's perfectly moist, not too dry, it's not burnt around the edges, no excess oil, anything like that, because thanks to the silicone you don't have to add any extra oil. I've seen people add corn in their cornbread. How do you all feel about that? I don't know. The idea kind of makes me upset. Sometimes I'll add jalapenos if I want something spicy, but I don't know about wet corn. This time I decided to pair the bread with my high protein vegan chili recipe, which I'll add a link in this video. Give this one a try, let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on the notification bells for more recipes. And as always, thanks for watching.